Let me show you how to connect Google Ads, Meta Ads, and Google Sheets to Codex, then automate a daily ads report straight to your sheet every morning. Open InsightfulPipe connectors, click the Add connection, and choose Google Ads. Set the access level and click the Connect button. Sign in with your Google account and grant access. Choose the Google Ads account you want to connect, then click the Connect button, Connected. Add the Meta Ads connector and sign in with your account. Choose the accounts you want to connect, then click the Connect button. Now, add Google Sheets. Set the access level, then click the Connect to Google Sheets button. Sign in with your Google account and grant access. Choose the spreadsheet you want to connect, then click the Connect button. All three platforms are live. Copy the InsightfulPipe MCP Server URL. In Codex, open Settings, go to MCP Servers, click the Add Server, paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, then click the Add button. Switch Codex to full access, then write the prompt. Pull daily Google Ads and Meta Ads performance into Google Sheets runs every day at 8 a.m. into two tabs, Raw Data and Recommendations. Codex plans the work, links your existing ads spreadsheet, backfills history from May 1st, then registers a new automation, daily ads performance to Google Sheets, running every day at 8 a.m. The automation is live. Let's verify what happens in Google Sheets when it runs. The Raw Data tab adds a daily row per campaign with spend, clicks, conversions, rows, and revenue. And the Recommendations tab adds a daily row with the executive summary, wins, issues, and wasted budget. That's the daily ads sheet, refreshed every morning by Codex and InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.